This video will show you how to add a new dimension to the beginning of a PyTorch tensor by using non-style indexing. First, we import PyTorch. Then we print the PyTorch version we are using. We are using PyTorch 0.4.0. Let's now create a PyTorch tensor using the PyTorch.tensor operation, and we're going to have the dimensions be 2 by 4 by 6 by 8, and we're going to assign this uninitialized tensor to the Python variable pt_empty_tensor_x. Let's check what dimensions our pt_empty_tensor_x Python variable tensor has. We see the dimensions are 2 by 4 by 6 by 8. What we want to do next is we want to add a new dimension to the beginning of our PyTorch tensor. The way we'll do this is by using the non-style indexing. So we're going to use a capital N, and for the first index we're going to say none, then we say comma, and then we're going to use a colon. The colon notation means that we want the rest of the tensor. The none tells PyTorch that we want a new access for the tensor to be assigned at the very beginning. And we assign that result to the pt_extend_beginning_tensor_x Python variable. Let's check the size of the tensor because we told PyTorch to create a new access at the beginning of it. When we do this, we see that the dimensions of the tensor are now 1 by 2 by 4 by 6 by 8. Before it was 2 by 4 by 6 by 8, so we see that we have the new axis here. Perfect. We were able to add a new dimension to the beginning of a PyTorch tensor by using non-style indexing.